Hello everyone, welcome to the Cooler Reports. On my right hand, I'm going to introduce our newest products, the boba tea stations. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The overall length will be 71 inches. And the 27.5 inches in the depth. And the counters, they are about like a 31 and 1/4 inches. So they have a full button lights, they are adjustable. And the door right here is you can close and open right here, have the storage. Now let's see the measurement for these parts. The middle shelvings, they are about like a 45 inches long. And the height is about like a 25 inches. For the side one will be about like a 11.5 inches. And for this drawer, the shelving, the depth is about like a 9 inches and 3/4. Let's also take a look at the sink dimensions. For the sink dimensions, we have two set sinks. They are exactly the same dimensions. And in the middle is ice bin, and also they come in with the filters. Right here you can see these are the filters, and having the shelving board right here, you can clean it. They all stainless steel, easy to clean. And also the water faucets right here. For this model, we come in with the cold waters and the heated waters for two functions. And also the middle bins, they are storage for the ice. They have sliding tops. Can cover the temperatures. And let's see the measurements. The sinks overall length will be about like 15 and 3/4 inches. And depth about like 10 inches. And this side will about like almost 14 inches. Now let's take a look at the storage aspect, the dimensions. For the length, about like 15.5 inches. Depth the same, about like 10 inches. The width, about like 15.5 inches. That will be the all information about these products. Thank you for watching these videos, and if you have more questions, please contact with us.